We're going to Pebble Beach today, guys. This is Mars part of the family, not Pa's part of the family. They're very excited. This is Beanie, as you know, and this is Joy.
Yeah.
And who are you?
You're beautiful.
So that's my miserable son. Look at his face. Oh yes, Ma looks very glamorous today. Very summery. What's your name? April. Now guess what, guys? She's got 4 children. Can you believe it? And I bet she's younger than she looks. Older than she looks. Sorry.
Yeah, already 34 years old.
Get out of town.
35 this April 18th.
My God. See how beautiful the women are in the Philippines, guys. So we're going to White Pebble Beach. It's approximately 45 minutes away from Naga. We're going to do an overnight, and it's the preferred beach if you're going to do overnight, or at least if the Yukim family is going to do an overnight. No, I thought I'd just leave it here till we come back. So we'll see you when we get to White Pebble Beach.
Hello guys, we are on the way on White Pebble Beach. So it seems the road, guys, is okay. So if someone want to visit here in White Pebble Beach, you can come, even it's ordinary car, right?
Yeah, but as you can see, we spoke a bit too soon.
There's a few rough road, guys, here.
This
like
is not
this.
good for my car.
There's a few.
It's not too bad.
It's not bad, guys. But I remember before that the road here is bad.
Yeah, it's like this all the way.
Yeah, it's
if it was going to, for example, give you take 45 minutes, it'd take double that.
When we first time coming here, oh my God, we scared to come here. What's that? There's another one here.
There we go.
Oh my God.
All right, what do I do here?
You can do that. Do that.
Oh, can I? Do you want to drive? Right, guys, we're here, and it was only that little bit of road you just previously saw that was really bad. The rest of the road's really good, and you know, you take your time, you can get around it. I reckon it's took us about 55 minutes. I said it should have been about 45. This is Mel's uncle, bless him. He's had a stroke, and he's the loveliest man and so funny, and even now with this stroke he tries his best to be funny. Not yet, mate. Wait a bit. So anyway, we've got here, we've been looking further down the road from here. One of these chalets were 1400 and they were small, and now we've negotiated down because these were more, and we're getting both these for 1400 each, so that's 2008. Before, you see, it depends which way you come into Pebble Beach as well, how bad the road is. If you come in from this direction, I've been told the road's quite bad, so that's why we always, that's why people always come in this side. So it's going to be an overnight. I've parked my car there. Look at that, guys, how beautiful it is. Now you can see why it's called White Pebble Beach. There's no sand. There's the nearest you can get to sand is the gravel at the edge of the beach, but the water is lovely and clear. It's beautiful, and there's always people here. I don't mean it's crowded, unless you come on a weekend, of course, then that's up to you, because that's when it's more likely to be crowded. The huts, as I explained earlier on, there are a lot more than when we came, but there would be, wouldn't they? Now, I know I'm a foreigner, and to a foreigner it's nothing, but to Filipinos it's a lot. When you bear in mind that the average wage is about 400 pesos a day, So you only have to go to a McDonald's. Oh, hello, who are you?
Where you prepare here?
How many, you're a bit greedy, how many pairs of sunglasses do you want?
It's for Matthew.
All right, okay, what you eating, babe?
Thick rice and pancit.
All thick rice, I might try some of
Which
that.
one you prepare here or in the other one?
Pascal, no, I don't, look, Pascal's all right if we just want something quick. I haven't got a lot of time, blah, 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 just for the day. But to do it overnight, I still think it's better here. But everyone to their own, you know. You might come and think, oh, what's the big deal, Chris? Oh, I think it's a big deal. And the water's nice. I will, I'm just showing them how to eat. Who are you, my mother?
They're gonna finish now.
Now, what you got to remember as a foreigner is, and I'm not referring to myself in this case, if you're a foreigner, you're going to be looked on to pay most, if not all, the money. And if you like specific food and you invest more money into having this specific food, I would hide it, because they'll just go into it and they'll eat it. Now, I'm not saying that's a bad thing, that's what the families do, right? They share the food. So remember, if you can't eat the Filipino stuff and you brought some special stuff, whether it's a McDonald's or Jollibee, whatever, if you consider that special, of course, then you need to hide it. In fact, put it under lock and key, bring your own car and leave it in the car. Because the first thing to do when they come here is they dive into the food, but they'll have more food for later on, and then they'll have a little bit more for in the morning.
Tomorrow.
And then when all the food's gone, everybody will want to go home. Isn't that good? So there's Paolo. That's Tintin. She's lovely. And it's Bunina, I call her Beanie, it's easy to remember. And that's beautiful Kelly over there. That's my lovely mum. She looks very, did I say the word right there? She looks very summery.
My mom provides the jeep.
Yeah. That's Oben, with the white top and red shorts. He does all my building work. If I need anything doing, I can only trust him, because he's family. You know, I know what I can have to pay him. I know what I tell him to do, he's going to do. Which is very, very difficult for you to get somebody that's going to do a good job, going to do it for reasonable money. For example, I've been guilty of this myself. I've said, look, if you do a good job, you know, pretty sharpish, I'll give you a bonus at the end. And what happens is they string it out, because after your job, they've probably got nowhere else to go to, therefore they're not earning any money. So anyway, I just thought I'd tell you that. So give this place a visit, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments if you've already been here. Tell me if you're coming to Naga and you want to come and visit here and do an overnight with your family, because they'll love you to death. If you know, go and treat them to an overnight somewhere at the beach and provide plenty of nice food, you'll fill 2 or 3 jeepneys. Word gets around fast, you know. So I'll do another video in a bit. I guess this isn't going to be a short video, guys. It's probably going to go into 2. So I'll see you a little bit later. What are you laughing at? Sorry, what are you smiling at?
Hey, you just smile on the camera. Ano hayop? Nalalamit ng aki. They doing a TikTok. Hello. It's just jump. Ay, pumunta ng hayop. Lego ma, baili. Nay, baili na, nay. Ay, baili. Daw ano? TikTok. Ay, kinabot. Kinabot eh. Mayo. Ano lang naman yan. Bako mani. Ma-TikTok na kita, Tim. Tama na. Okay. Ulit. Paano ba yung bilang? Pa-out na naman. Papagod ako si Absent. Wait lang. Game. Stop. Game. Wait, ganun ha. Uy, Lilin, magbunod ka na tabi. Lilin, napakot ka sa biyo, Lilin. Let's see our face.
Well, it's hard to see our faces, which is a good thing because
Yeah, it's a good thing.
we've got a great sunset behind us, guys. Look at that. Really great sunset.
Who's that? The background. Hi,
Who's that? Wow.
See that?
We've got some girls. You'll have to go the other side, girls, because we can't see. It's too dark. That's better.
Sa other side. Uy, look, just
What?
see us.
Well, that was unusual, guys. We didn't expect that. But these three pretty young ladies just walked in. So
Just
that
introduce yourself.
yeah, that's a treat. What's your name?
Kuya Chris called me Beanie. You know, that's Beanie.
Yeah, but it's Binunay.
Yes.
Binunay.
But in short, Beanie.
Yeah,
It's
That's-
easy to
I can only remember that.
Yes.
So it's Beanie.
How about this? My cousin.
And look at this beautiful lady, eh?
Hi,
Is she
I'm
beautiful?
Tin.
You are thin.
Tin. Yeah, Christine.
She's thin.
Yes.
No, she's
Like my sister. Yeah.
just fake.
And you remember this beautiful lady, married, 4 children. Can you believe that? She's beautiful. Absolutely
But she's
beautiful.
still slim, right?
That's the
Yeah, she is. What's your name?
I'm April.
April.
April me. June, July.
Yeah. Just think, guys, if you come to the Philippines, you could have an April shower. Eh? Wow. And she's a teacher, guys.
Yeah, she's a teacher.
She's a teacher. I've only just found out she's a teacher.
A board passer.
What do you teach? What year do you teach? Oh,
General.
general. Okay.
Education.
So, look at what's happening, guys, eh? Beautiful ladies, beautiful sunset. We're going to have a great night. We'll see you in a bit. I've got a light on my camera now so we can light the place up.
Later they're gonna grill a chicken. Later.
And fish?
No, just only a chicken.
No balut. No balut. See you later, guys.
Bye.
Thank you. Look at this, guys. I don't mean my ass is very comfortable. Look at the sunset now. Look at that. How beautiful it is. I'll be absolutely gutted. We went to a resort, a different resort. We'd never been there before. Had a great day with the kids. Just me, Mel, and the kids jamming. Look at that. Hey, what's not to like? There's a boat coming in trying to make some money from taking people out. Now Mel's asked me what them lights are in the distance. Don't know if you can see them on the GoPro, but I'm assuming they're fishing boats. But look at that. Welcome to the Philippines. I know I've said this a million times, guys, but if you get a brilliant family, if you're as lucky as me, and I don't need that kind of luck. Not where I've been in my life. Not that I've been a bad boy, of course, you know what. But can't believe I'm in the Philippines. I'm approaching 8 years in April 26th. I think that's right. I mean, it's just amazing. This is beautiful. And look at my family. There's Pa. There's my lovely wife, Mel.
You stole my short early.
She took her shorts off, so I stole them so she couldn't put them back on. Because it didn't leave much to the imagination, but you know what it's like in the Philippines. They're very conservative.
Yeah.
And Mel's no exception to that.
Is that a boat, honey?
I think they are boats, yeah.
Ano yung kapag mga ilaw? Boat?
Yeah, they are boats. Okay. Ilaw, tilapia.
Ah, they ano, fishing.
Really? Oh.
Kaya may ilaw, ang sarap pa yan.
So they're not burying bodies then? They're just fishing?
Catching fish.
Oh, that's good. So we'll show you a little bit more if anything happens, guys.
Yeah, later guys.
Please subscribe.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to live this out. We got this far, don't know how.